Well, it's cookie time! Great, man. Okay, the behavior here is very chaotic, if you want to know. I have to check on the code what's going on. So let's try to figure out. And on the Wusik station, it loads correctly. Well, okay. Sorry, none for you. Sorry, dude. I don't think the camera is going to really get it. Those are not really cookies. How do you call this? They're much smaller and has no chocolate chips on it. It's just coconut. Well, what could it be? Hmm. Let me save the preset and take a look on it. Well, the first module doesn't want to play along. And it's there. That's the worst part. I feel your pain, dude. I know what's that. It really sucks me. That will be a nice feature. Oh, and when you load up the duplicated one, the first layer still doesn't play. Key low, key high. It's all correct. So there is no reason why it's not playing the first layer. Let's see what else. Octave, fine tuning, mid channel, omni. It's something that is getting bypassed for some reason. Hmm. Let's take a look on the preset file now and see if there is anything in there. Well, bypass is to 0. Nothing is bypassed. I will find it and I will kill it. And it's going to work again. Mute 0, activate 1. Pen -1, that's correct. Voices 5, but it's from a list of voices, so it's not really 5. Hmm. Okay. The next step, see how we add new layers on Wusik 4000, 8000. Mhm. Just new layer, man. Insert new layer. Okay. I keep forgetting things. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Mm-hmm. Set new layers -1. What? I don't get this. Oh, this is a big pile of stuff. Hmm. Okay. Oh, crap. Yeah, I'm doing this in the wrong place. No, that's okay. Well, that's just something strange to happen. But let's see. It's 8032 bits. Oh boy, this takes so long to compile compared to the other ones. Well, as it does that, I'm going to take care of a few things here. What was the thing? Never mind. Let's run the sucker up. Okay, so I have my test noise here. Just remove this silly alt mode and just play on my computer keyboard instead. Okay. No, I didn't want to say like that. Idiot. What's doing? What did I do? Oh, that's okay. Oh boy. I did something wrong. Ah, duh. Sorry. I hate when I do stuff like that. Nothing here. Oh, it's size. Just size. That's why it's complaining. There's no such call. Anywho, let's try again. Otherwise, I will have to revise the whole preset loading in Siri code to check what Wusik 8000 does differently compared to Wusik Station. Because they share a lot of stuff, but not every stuff. Not everything is shared, so. Okay, let's run this thing. Rolling. Okay, there's something strange happening. Oh, why you didn't tell me that presets changed? Oh, okay, that's why. Okay, let me do a few other tests here. Save preset, save layer. That's just weird. What is going on here? I don't think it has to be. It has nothing to do with the duplicate. It's something else. Something else entirely. So let me think. It could be the code I was doing the other time. Let me check again something here. Text report is running. Load. Test noise. Okay, seems that the mixer is bad. But why just on Wusik 8000? Why not on Wusik stage? Because the code mixing is pretty much the same. That's just crazy talk. Let's run the little guy up here. Hmm. Alrighty then. Now let's load something on the Wusik 8000 that has 3 layers and see if all 3 layers are playing in fact. Showcasing. One of one. One of three. Oh, just this one I don't have the samples. My screen is also too big, so it doesn't fit on my monitor. Because I think the last time I tweaked it was on another computer. Well, nothing with 2 layers just to test out. I have to install the samples. Yeah, what's happening is that even when you create a new layer, it's not being mixed. So I'm pretty sure it's the code where I mix stuff. When I remove that whining noise, I mess it up something. It's always like that. Never an easy day. I don't mind. Oh, this is a crazy patch. I love the sound. A good sound. Okay. The only preset that has 3 layers I don't have the sound. But I could just not be that lazy guy and copy the samples. Let me see what are the samples that I'm missing. The drum collection. Oh, from the drum collection, I can copy those up from my computer. I think I have on this notebook. Let me see. Yeah, I will sure do that. Drum collection. Sound sets. Oh boy, I have all the sounds on this notebook. I didn't even know. I was thinking I will have to fetch my backup file, but no, that's going to slow down my computer. I hope not too much. Okay, it's copying. Yes, I'm going to check out the code, but I think the Wusik 8000 and 4000 code is something that's not relevant to Wusik station. Is something that's different. You just have to check what that is. Because I was playing with a preset here and I created a new layer and the whole thing went mute. So mute. So it's on the process block for sure. Okay, open contain folder. Where is it? Run collection 1. Let's copy sound sets. That should do the trick. Okay, now I have all the samples. Interesting. What the hell is going on? It looks like the layers are sending sound from one layer to the other one. Oh, that's not good. You can see that, hear that. See? Bloody hell. Of course that's fun. Why it's not working? Piece of crap. Huh. Huh. And the panning is also messing up. Ah, come on, dude. What have I done? Okay. I will have to revise the whole process code. Is this just for the beta version, or was this doing for a longer time and no one told me about? That's just crazy, guys. So I'm going to have to revise the whole process block code where everything gets mixed. And that's very boring to do, but let's do it. Because it has nothing to do with the copy and duplicate code, it's something else. Well, let's see here. Yeah. That sucks, guys. No, what I'm talking about is that this problem should have. I think it's happening for a longer time. Um, and it has nothing to do with the copy duplicated file. Yes, I know that, but I changed it so much on the code that I have no idea. So yeah. So I have the audio input here. Something that's let me see if I can run Wusik 4000. I don't have it here on my menu. How do I open this up now? Just a minute, guys. Oh, okay, I see. I have the no. I'm on the wrong computer. Having two computers can be a bit of a mess sometimes. FX teleport. So let's see. Okay, Wusik 4000. Let's run it. Let's see if this is something that's happening on both programs, then it's easier for me to figure out. Actually, it's easier if it's happening only on Wusik for 8000. Okay, what's going on now? I'm running the file and nothing's happening. Search. Select. Oh, okay, here we go. So, master layer 1, envelope, base envelope, moderator, white noise. Yeah! Oh shitty, 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 shitty. Bad, 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 bad. That's it's cascading the layers. Crap, man. Why does it happen with Wusik Station? It's the same code for fluffy sake. I don't know what. For fuck's sake. Sorry. That's just funny to say. Okay, 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 okay. Let me organize my windows here again. So I have the Wusik station here, and I have my wave sequencer layer. And a superset layer. Interesting. Yes, it could be an old bug, so it just pisses me off that no one saw this before, because it's an important one. You can't use multi-layers. That's why a guy was telling me that the presets were not sounding right or didn't have any sounds, and I was like, "Oh, you didn't install the sounds." But no, I'm the stupid one that I didn't catch the problem. But he didn't explain me very well, so I I blame God. Sorry, guys. It just pisses me off when there's a bug that I didn't know about. There's some bugs that at least I know about, and well, I can't fix it now because I have no solution yet. Like on the wave sequencer, the wave sequencer was terrible to fix it, but I found a fix, and it's running great now. Yo! Now we listen to Art of Noise Best of. Oh, it seems to be that everything's correct here. It could be two things. Either somewhere here there's a special code that only happens for Wusik 8000, like this. So Wusik Station does in one way, and Wusik 8000 does in another way. It could be this, but this only happens when some sound generators. So this is the code to sum the sound generators. Okay, good. But this is going to go to the filter size. Regular no, what the hell is this now? Oh, it's the multiple sound generators, how they are summed up, so they have the same code for both programs. Okay. Yes, Microsoft! Fuck you, Microsoft! You made my code not run! Nasty. It's like when my wife says, "This mobile you bought me is a piece of crap," and I say, "No, Android is a piece of crap." I love Android. Android is not a piece of crap. It has some flaws, but heck, who doesn't have any flaws? I sure don't. I don't have any flaws. It's just Microsoft. Microsoft makes everything worse. So, okay, this is the audio input, the audio filler, okay, the apply effects. This is just for Wusik 8000 for the next layer sound, but it doesn't apply to Wusik 4000, the oscilloscope data, and the mix down to master. Okay, now we can see something different here. could be these guys. But we have the layer information balance here, and we should have the layer information volume somewhere. It could be there, I guess. SFX for master. What are those guys here? Let me try something just for the sake of figure it out. Let's reverse this and make it do these instead. Oh, come on. Let's see how that goes. Okay, let's complain about something. Let's complain about error illegal direction. Oh, I pressed the key at some point and added. That happens. Compile the right one. Yes, that's the right one. Shitty Microsoft. Bang bang. It's funny. I used to love Sound Park, but a year ago I was watching with another person with dubbed audio in Portuguese, and for some reason all the cursing and bad words in Portuguese sounded much worse than in English. Especially because some of the bad words they say in English for us is not that bad, but they translated to a much worse word, and I didn't like that. But I remember the song Shitty Shitty Bang Bang. Okay, oh shut up. So it's not that. Okay. What should I do here again? Oh yeah, that guy. So what could be possibly be the problem? So we have the layer info here. Let's see how the layer info is going on as the volume. This is just terrible. Where the volume gets applied? I don't even understand this. Okay, the audio input, okay, send to next layer, okay. Okay, let's force activate, okay, it's okay. What's MO bands? I don't remember this anymore. It's been a while. Let's see, the master. So MO something else. I think it's sent to 2. I have the MO now. Ah, these are hard one, but I'm not ready to give up. So that's the global information. Peter Gunn, I think is the name of the song from Art of Noise. Yeah, Peter Gunn. That's a crazy song. Alrighty then. So what happens when you load a new module, especially the master module? We have the information for the layer. It's correct. Hmm. So it's either, well, it looks like I'm passing the wrong information on the startup. Let's go to the process block again. But this is very complex. What happens is that we start up the modules. Okay, startup modules here. Master audio buffer. That's the one. This is framed. It can be 4 channels of 4 samples each channel. So I think I see something here.